Hey, what's up, SiaCoin holders? What's going on this time, my friends? SiaCoin will get a profit in last 7 days, 4.99%. And today we will talk about, my friend, the latest urgent update of SiaCoin to an upcoming time. Really, the huge pump is coming soon because experts says to an upcoming time. There is a two reason, my friend. They will define to an upcoming time the price will pump up. In the first reason was that to win a holder are starting buying, investing, and holding 100%. The price is increasing. And the second reason was that, my friends, to an upcoming time, my friend. You know, my friend, when a holder are starting buying and selling, then absolutely the price will pumping up and dumping. But my friends, they will say to you in upcoming time, especially in last 10 days of every month, every coin will move upward. So therefore, my friends, generally they say because I know what's the reason behind this, my friend. You know what's the behind this, especially at the end of month in last 10 days, especially short time investor for short time starting holding, investing, and buying. So therefore, I'm 100% sure to they will says to an upcoming time, my friend, in last 10 days every coin will move upward. So therefore, I think there is a chance so they will pumps up. So I hope, my friends, to see our coin price will be increasing at the end of month. But kindly holder, if they were face down also for a short time, remember they will take a temporary dump, so don't starting selling. Hold it. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time SiaCoin price will increasing and give you a double to triple profit. So you can see here from last 1 month 26.98% the SiaCoin price increase. So I think it's really good news, my friend. And definitely when a holder are starting buying, when a holder are starting investing, then the coin is moving upward. So therefore, my personal advice, my opinion is for all of you to hold down, don't starting selling. I hope they will give you a profit. Allah Hafiz, take care.